Dear friends, this blessed occasion of Eid ul-Adha is a great blessing from Allah for all of us. This day teaches us about sacrifice, sincerity, and selflessness. On behalf of Madani Islamic Academy, we extend heartfelt Eid ul-Adha greetings to all our students, their parents, and our esteemed viewers. May happiness continue to fill your hearts. May your prayers be accepted, and may blessings and joy always remain in your homes. Let's all come together, purify our hearts, bow before Allah, and create ease for others through our actions. May Allah fill your lives with happiness and accept your sacrifices. Eid ul-Adha Mubarak. Connect with Madani Islamic Academy. For comprehensive and Sharia-compliant Islamic and academic education, join Madani Islamic Academy today. We offer a complete learning experience with Quran with Tajweed, Quran translation, Madani Qaida, and Nurani, Qaida Islamic Studies, and so much more. One-on-one professional online classes for kids and adults from anywhere in the world. Our team includes highly qualified male and female teachers dedicated to providing a nurturing spiritual learning environment. Stay connected and start your journey. Website, register for free. www.madaniislamicacademy.com. Contact numbers: Pakistan +9 2304 284 6421, International UK +4 474 806 76283. Join us today and begin your spiritual journey with trusted professional guidance through Madani Islamic Academy. Let's learn and grow together in the light of knowledge and faith.